AI is reshaping the automotive world, from driver assist tech on the road to predictive systems inside the factory. While most of us think of artificial intelligence as something that helps with directions or streaming suggestions, behind the scenes it's becoming a powerful quality tool. At Ford, a new in-house AI system is scanning for defects before a vehicle ever reaches the customer. Automotive news reporter Michael Martinez looked into how Ford is using AI to improve reliability and why it could signal a shift in how automakers catch problems early. Here's how it works.
So Ford is using a pair of AI systems developed in-house that use a series of cameras, in some cases as simple as what you can find on an iPhone, and some proprietary AI-powered software that look at vehicles that are rolling down the assembly line and can identify whether or not certain pieces, whether it's a badge or even an electrical connection, are improper or defective, and they can spot those issues before they become more troublesome down the line. So in some instances, there are certain electrical connections that need to be quite snug and tight down to a millimeter, and sometimes the human eye can't see whether those connections are there or not. Ford can use cameras and this AI vision system to see, even in poor lighting and even if somebody's walking in front of the field of view, to tell whether those connections are snug, and then it can prevent that vehicle from going any further before it's fixed. So the issues can range from really simple, obvious ones, like whether or not the Ford Blue Oval badge is in the right place, if it's straight, or whether a piece of trim is there, to more complicated ones like electrical connections. These tools are critical because they catch issues early on in the assembly process. Typically, after those vehicles pass through where the systems are located, the particular parts they're looking at would get covered up, which means if they do eventually spot the defect, they would have to disassemble part of the vehicle before they can send it out to a dealership lot. This way, it saves time, energy, and money. Well, this approach is unique because it was developed in-house by Ford engineers. One system was developed in Valencia, Spain, and is now proliferating across the country, across the globe. Another system was developed by a Ford engineer here in the Metro Detroit area. Ford's really trying to collaborate across its industrial system, so you have folks that are mostly focused on technology and software solutions now interacting with line workers and blue-collar assembly plant employees to really try to improve the vehicle quality. It seems to be the future of where Ford wants to go. The thought is that they can continue to expand the use of these systems across their assembly plants. They can expand the capabilities of the systems so they can look for more problems. And the idea is to really make it so where no defective vehicles whatsoever are leaving a Ford plant.
So while you might not see or hear it, Ford's AI is working in the background, scanning, learning, and helping the company catch problems before they ever reach your driveway. You can read the full story by Michael Martinez at autonews.com.